Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to unarrive a patient. This function can be used when an appointment was marked as arrived on the diary by accident, but the patient is not at the practice yet. From the diary screen, click on the patient's booking you have accidentally marked as arrived. The diary sidebar will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. In the sidebar, the selected patient will be shown as arrived. Double-click on the selected booking on the diary screen and the Add Edit Booking screen will open. On the Add Edit Booking screen, click on the Status drop-down box and change the status back to Booked by clicking on the Booked option. Click on the Close button to exit the Add Edit Booking screen without saving. Click on the Save button to save the new booking status. You will automatically be redirected back to the main diary screen and the patient's booking status will have changed back to booked on the diary as well as in the sidebar.